Looking fresh, Ray.
Fresh fade.
Yeah, very good. The fresh fade.
It's got designs on the side.
Dude, Ray's,
Yeah.
Ray's got fresher hair than all of us right now.
I'm fresh.
I wore a hat, that's how unfresh my
Well,
hair
I
is
told the
today.
kid, I said, keep in mind I wear a hat, so just cut it. If I could just get him to trim this down.
Then you'll be mint.
I know, it's a work in progress.
Hey, get you a banner.
Jesse doesn't clean the Aristo.
Hazing, and then you got some road dirt, and then salt,
Oh, and then like
more
water.
Just different stages of erosion.
Yeah.
So yo, me and David, we take care of the slammery. Look how mint this thing is.
You see the reflection.
There's a little bit of like dirt at the bottom.
And my car was stuck in front of my house. Okay?
Ah,
It's the first day I've had to
excuses.
wash
No reflection test.
Yeah.
In the door.
Yeah, it's like a mirror finish.
It's a matte finish.
No, nothing, dude.
Okay, I was getting washed today, alright?
It's gonna be satisfying this.
Yeah. If we take a second. See, the nice thing about this car wash is it washes the bottom of your car.
Yeah,
You don't
so
have snow
close.
cost.
It's so humid in here, it's like just melting off already. Alright, so me and David are live right now. So Instagram, follow us.
Yeah.
Instagram on the screen.
We go live a lot. So
Yeah, the lighting there is terrible. But yeah, I guess right now on the live stream we're just talking about what the plans are for the cars. See what's up. Yo, who wants a shout out?
Yeah,
real
yo.
quick. Yeah, we always have like viewers and supporters from around the world. So thanks guys, we love you.
we love you.
Sending those hearts. So yeah, I know a lot of people are getting pretty antsy and excited to see the R33 in its finished state. And trust me, I know, me too. I can't wait to see it finished, but you know, Al is a busy guy. You know, I don't want to rush him or anything. And just really appreciative that he's taken the time to do that for me. Oh yeah, we picked up these dope signs from Sears. That's what we did after the car wash earlier. So these are gonna be like our flag banner thingies, so you know which one's our booth.
Yeah.
So you get, it's like we go to the driven show with these Sears days
Yeah, we forget.
thingies. Lowest prices of the season.
Guaranteed.
But yeah, I mean, as far as what's left for this car before the season starts, at this point I'm pretty much just waiting for like wheels and the engine setup. I've started kind of tearing the interior apart. I have the door cards off, just waiting for the handles to come back from Al. And I've also ripped off like the A-pillars here. So the dope thing about this Power FC, it displays a lot of like important parameters just off of the ECU. So if you look over there, the Apexi unit itself, you actually just use the OEM stock connector, plug it into the ECU, and this Power FC reads a bunch of important things like engine knock, water temperature, ignition timing, injector duty cycle, all the important vitals that are necessary when you're tuning a car, doing extensive aftermarket modifications. So it doesn't power up right now, my battery's dead, and a lot of the engine ECU grounds around the car are disconnected from when I was painting. But yeah, that's one thing out of the way that I don't have to worry about. This will be crucial running the RB30 this year. I can't wait to get that started. I got half the engine set up over here.
Behind the scenes.
Cleaned it all up really good. I was gonna paint them red, but I'm not too sure. I do have 2 sets of valve covers, so I might paint one of them and then leave the other one kind of OEM-ish looking. I don't know, might just clean this head up, get it decked, surfaced on the bottom. Clean out all like the intake ports and exhaust ports. The goal for this is to just clean it up, bolt it onto the RB30 block with like head studs and a head gasket, get a new oil pump and piece it together, get new piston rings, bearings. What you guys think of budget compared to what I think of budget might be different. Don't mistake my budget for being cheap. I'm just gonna be building it to a reasonable spec that suits my needs. You know, forged internals, forged rods and all that. Yeah, they're nice, but if I'm only aiming for like 400-ish horsepower, then doing a forged build that costs me thousands of dollars, it's not my ideal build for what I use the car for. So it'll be like a OEM kind of OEM upgrade with a bigger turbo on it, and this thing should drive like a top. You know, like I've mentioned before in previous videos, power is not my #1 concern with this. It's reliability and drivability. So kind of like the way David's car ran last year. It wasn't the highest horsepower car, but it drove really nice. It was quick, responsive. Yeah, I know you guys are like asking for more wrenching and working on the cars, but you know, our hands are kind of tied as far as what we can do at this moment. So right now a lot of it is just planning and behind the scenes stuff, and you know, once the parts start coming in, then we'll be able to actually, you know, go full throttle on these things and get them back on the road. I think David at this moment, yeah, he just got this D-Max style hood vent for his car. Comment below what you think. Yeah, where'd you get your hood vent, David?
eBay. This is the D-Max hood vent DIY. It's got a stand far back.
This is actually the AliExpress version, eBay style.
eBay.
D-Max rep.
D-Max style.
I think, yeah, David's just waiting for like a new turbo manifold.
Yeah.
And it looks like you were painting and then kind of stopped halfway. It looks better though. Like, that looks clean.
So I gotta finish painting this and then like do this rad support here. Yeah. And then this side. And then it'll be done for paint. Just a little bit of rust coming up that I wanted to like fix.
Yeah, same.
So
I've been bugging David to put that RB20 in this thing, but
no, not 20.
Not 20.
Maybe 25.
If anyone's got a 1J, he wants to see it in this thing.
I think 1J is the only thing. If I got an SR20 DET given to me or like a crazy deal, I'd put that in. But if not, then 1J for sure.
True.
So yeah.
A lot of talking lately in these videos, lots of planning, but rest assured, by the time summer rolls around and these cars start moving on their own power, what are those?
Does that look?
What are those? Yeah, no more Steelies, no more fucking stock wheels on these things, no more fender gaps.
It actually looks so haggard right now.
Dude.
It's so hard to look at your car like this.
Yo, how do you think I felt when my car was outside on jack stands for like months?
Still so much to do.
It's been almost 6 months to the day that I've driven my car.
Really?
Yeah. My timeline for this thing is to have it on the road by April. Show season kind of starts like in May-ish, so I don't want to be rushing to fix it and then, you know, having something go wrong on the road again. So if anybody has like color suggestions for how I should paint this thing, feel free to leave comments down below. So me and David are gonna take the Slamry to pick up stickers and banners from Al. This thing's running so loud now. I guess over the break or something it developed an exhaust leak and just sounds like a beater. What? The thumbs up if you think this sounds good.
I think that sounds good.
Sounds like a V6. It almost sounds like a G35. God damn. Manual as an automatic.
Dirty diesel versus the Slamry. Oh! No match. No match at all.
Color choices.
Yeah, y'all want to see
Color choices for the S15.
one of these?
Oh yeah, let's pick a color for the Slamry.
As if we did like a bright
red for the Slamry.
this one.
Yeah.
Could you imagine? Slamry's still looking so clean, even all that snow, driving through snow and puddles and stuff. We back. You look at all these colors I have to choose from.
So I'm peeling off my work in progress banner right now, and I'm kind of getting bittersweet feelings, just because, you know, this brand, this logo, this whole thing started off when the car was kind of, you know, in rough shape, and I put it on the car to remind myself that, you know, it's a work in progress and it's gonna take time. And seeing how far it's come now, rocking that banner on the whole time, and seeing it everywhere. Like, I'm seeing it around the city, seeing it in the Forza video games. You can download it and put it on your car there. It's humbling to know that, you know, there's people around the world that I inspire and that have bought into the brand. So thank you guys, taking it off to put the new banner on. So right, so I guess you could call this like the work in progress V2 banner. So like idea, concept, reality, work in progress, they go hand in hand. Obviously you can do anything that you have in your head, anything you want in your life, you know, you can get there with a little bit of work. You just gotta put the work in and you'll achieve it. Take it from us, we're living examples of this. So these will also be added onto the site. We got Star logo banners now too. So we've never sold these before, but these are
the original banners that we, like the first banners we ever had.
I don't know.
yeah, and you know, we put outsiders on there to kind of separate us from.
Yeah. Back in the day, it was all about
Back
like
in the
distancing
day.
ourselves from the negativity of like the car scene. And,
Yeah.
you know, now it's a remake.
You know, you see what's come from the original ideas here.
Yeah. So this is like some OG, never released. We only made like 12 of these ever.
Yeah.
Now we're bringing them back for you.
Now we're bringing them back. I also spoke a bit about like starting an R33 team. If anyone out there has a Skyline, doesn't have to be an R33 in general, and you want to, you know, rep locals on your car, go to car shows and stuff, DM me. You could buy one of these on the site, or thinking of maybe setting up another Skyline locals team sticker. Anything else you want to add, Jesse?
No, you just talked about Skylines, so I'm not really included in that.
Alright. Everybody with a Supra, DM Jesse and get him a team going.
Squad, DM
Super Squad, Skyline Squad, Sylvia Squad, the SSS Squad. That's it. Stickers are live on the store as you watch this video, so be sure to hit up the locals movement, show some love.
Some juice.
Send some juice. Send juice.